Hi, Amanda Fisher with Xero tip number 3. Today we're going to look at reconciling payroll through the bank account. So we're going to go to payroll, we're going to go into pay runs, and we're going to look at one that I've already set up in advance. And this is the pay run. I'm assuming you've done the pay run correctly in the first place. And the important part is that the step that a lot of people are missing is they must go into pay run options before they finish the pay run. And the important one you must go to is to create draft bill. This is an imperative part of getting the processing of the payroll correct. So we're going to hit on create draft bill. We're going to say yes, we're sure we want to create the draft bill. And then from there we can then close out of payroll. And then from there we must go to the next vital step is go to accounts and to purchases. And we're going to find in the drafts, so click on the drafts. We're going to find our weekly pay run generated by Xero Payroll sitting in the drafts. We must click on that and approve it. And yes, we want to approve it. Hit the OK button for that. And then we have now sitting in awaiting payment, we have our weekly pay run sitting there waiting for payment. We now go to the bank account. I'm going to go back to the dashboard for the minute. We've got one item to reconcile on the bank account. So we're going to go and reconcile our bank account. And we have in here wages, and it has already been automatically allocated with the generated by Xero Payroll. It's the same amount, same date, and we're going to be OK and click and reconcile this. If this does not come up, then that means that you haven't done your payroll properly and you've missed a step in the creating draft bill and approving the draft bill. What you must never do is when you've processed wages and you've got it coming through the bank account, you must never go and do a create entry to process the pay run. You must always take it against your generated Xero payroll. If you haven't done that, then you've got a problem with your payroll and your bank balances and your accounts reconciling. If this comes up, it's as simple as tick the OK button and you're reconciled. Your payroll's correct, your bank account is correct. And just coming back to our bank account, we do have a reconciled bank account. Payroll is correct. Vital step, a lot of people are missing that one. We're finding lots of people with that as an issue. If you haven't been doing it, talk to your accountant to get some advice on how to go back and fix it. There's a few extra steps to do the fix-ups. But it is important that that is done and that it is done before the end of the financial year and that you get it right from this point onwards. Thank you for listening. Look forward to seeing you for Xero tip number 4.